What's up, guys? It's VJ here, and today I'm gonna make a short Madden Mobile video. Today it's really short because I only have 3 Evo players that I'm gonna be opening. I did a couple videos like this before, but this one's probably the smallest one, I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's get the first one. The first one is a 98. Oh my god, an honors player. That's really good because, well, yeah, honors players are expensive. The next one, we get a... I just really don't want an NFL 100 player. Watch me pull one. Well, of course I pull one. Eric Dickerson. He's probably one of my favorite NFL 100 players. Like, look at this. 97 speed, 90 strength, 97 agility. 96 agility. That's actually pretty good. And my final one is going to be a... 98 Deacon Jones. He's an upgrade. I was actually looking to get this guy. So we got 2 defensive ends and a running back. I'm gonna look for the prices. Let's first look for Calais Campbell. This game is so bad. I'm gonna see if there's any under 350k. There's probably gonna be some. There's a bunch. 248k. 248k is the cheapest, so I'm just gonna post them quickly for 240k and 236.99. Post for 24 hours. I'm pretty sure Dickerson and Jones are actually pretty expensive. The only reason I'm not upgrading my team with Dickerson is because, with Deacon Jones is because, as my second defensive end, I have this Michael Strahan, and he's like really bad. But, this guy's stats are really good. Deacon's stats are really good. But the thing is that, the Strahan, you can't auction, you can't sell him, or you can't, exchange him for training. So that really sucks. Because I wish I could do that. So, actually, I might actually keep Deacon on the team. Nothing really goes up, except the power goes down a little. Let's first check Deacon's price. So, Jones. And for 100, there's definitely gonna be under 150k. Are there any under 150k? If there are, I'm just gonna let them go. Yeah, there's a bunch. He's pretty cheap. Yeah, I'm just going to keep him on the team. And finally, Eric Dickerson. I'm going to check over 95k. So let's just post him for about 480k. And that's going to do That's going to do it for the video. I'm probably going to start uploading a little more because of quarantine. But the last time I said that during winter break, I didn't really upload that much. So